Hey there, Knowledge for the Long Haul family. Today we have a thrilling story to share with you. Just 5 days ago, a semi-truck was left hanging off a bridge in Oklahoma City on I-44. In this video, we'll dive into the details of this heart-stopping incident and the incredible rescue efforts that follow. So buckle up, let's get started. So reports coming from Coco News 5 in Oklahoma City said the eastbound lanes of Interstate 44 were reopened at Pennsylvania Avenue after officials had them closed for 8 hours cleaning up the wreckage. The driver told troopers someone cut him off, causing him to swerve and go over the bridge.
We are getting an up-close look at the moment a truck driver and his son hung over a local road. As you look at this picture here, my goodness, I'm 𝗗𝗿𝗺𝗵𝗂𝗵.
Thanks for joining us at 6. I'm 𝗕𝗵𝗺𝗺𝗵𝗵, and firefighters now showing us the moment they saved their lives. KOCO's Alexandria Williams is live tonight.
And Alex, we can only imagine how terrifying it must have been to be hanging off this bridge while still in the driver's seat.
Yes, it's very surreal to think about. And here at the overpass of I-44 in North Pennsylvania, take a look here over my shoulder. You can still see where that semi had hit on the bridge. You can still see all that damage, and even here on the ground, fragments of the bridge is down here under the overpass. And firefighters explained to me this is just proof that how deadly it can be if you're driving recklessly in rainy weather conditions. This is video taken from an Oklahoma City firefighter as crews worked quickly to rescue the driver and his son from the semi hanging over the highway Sunday morning.
The driver, he did tell us that somebody had cut him off, and with the roadways yesterday, the rainfall, it didn't take much for this large vehicle to lose control.
The cab of the semi left dangling over the bridge. Fire crews rushed to the scene at I-44 in Penn around 7 a.m. Sunday. 2 victims, the truck driver and his son, trapped in that cab. OKC fire officials say their firefighters are trained to act quickly during incidents like this, but the rain did cause some extra challenges.
We just had to be more cautious and more slow with the rainfall, because the ladder that they were walking on to evacuate the semi, it was slick too. So we just took extra time, with our footing being a little bit more, possibly our foot slipping. We just took some extra time extricating these victims due to the rain yesterday.
They say the driver and his son were able to climb out of the semi and onto the engine's ladder safely with no injuries. And first responders are urging everyone out on the road, if you are driving in those rainy conditions, to please slow down, stay cautious, so that we can keep everyone as safe as possible. And they explained to me earlier today, majority of the calls that they've been receiving the last few days with this rainy weather has been traffic accidents. In Oklahoma City, I'm Alexandria Williams, KOCO 5 News.
The driver was okay though, thank goodness. One person under the bridge got hit by debris from the crash and had minor injuries. This was a seemingly ordinary day in Oklahoma City when disaster struck. The semi-truck found itself dangling precariously off the edge of the bridge. Fortunately, emergency services were quick to respond. They had to act fast to devise a plan to save the driver. The clock was ticking and the truck's stability was uncertain. Once again, by the grace of God, the driver was unharmed, but understandably shaken up. This incredible story of a semi-truck hanging off a bridge in Oklahoma City serves as a reminder of the dangers that can arise on the road and the importance of staying vigilant while driving. We're grateful for the quick thinking and bravery of the rescue team who saved the driver's life. I know this is something that at least at some point in any driver's career, when crossing a bridge, something they have thought about. I can tell you from personal experience, four-wheelers do the most. From brake checking you, to swerving in and out of lanes, to driving too fast. You have to be prepared for anything out here on these roads, as every day is a new adventure and conditions are always changing. That's all for today's video. Knowledge for the Long Haul family. Stay safe out there, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like this one. See you on the next video.